Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cathy and this is Skint Living UK. Today I've been out shopping. A lot of stuff was missing from the shelves, to be honest. I've been to Asda. I usually do a bit in Asda and a bit in Aldi, but our local Aldi is shut at the moment. So I've just done all my shopping in Asda. I think a lot of things in Asda are a lot dearer than the Aldi, and there's always less offers and there's always less reduced yellow stickers cut price items as well. So I find overall it's generally not as good as experience and I end up spending more money. I spent just under £30 today. I got 21 items. I had to pay by card because the local till wasn't giving out cash, because I do prefer to use cash. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. So I get this chicken for my son. It's a big massive packet. It's 1.6 kilograms, so that does him for about 3 meals, so it's quite good value in that respect. And that's £6.28, so it's like £2 a meal for him. I got myself a cheapy pizza. These are only 99p, and I tend to throw whatever fruit, whatever veggies and spices and herbs I have in, generally garlic and some extra cheese on top, because I think the prices of the pizzas are really expensive in Asda. Sometimes you can get them for reduced price, but there was nothing there really that I wanted today, so I thought I'll just get a cheapy one and I'll zhuzh it up, glam it up. So like I said, that was 99p. I got the cheapy mushrooms, 250 grams, because I throw mushrooms on everything and in everything at the moment, and they're 84p. I got a bag of easy peelers, and these are £1.7. I've been buying these tomatoes lately because they've got a bit more taste and they're a bit bigger, so they're lovely on the pizza or in a salad. I was looking at the salad bags, there was nothing there, and the few that were there were a bit wilty, so I had to look at the lettuces. They all looked off as well because of the warm weather, so I didn't get any. So the tomatoes are £1.37. I got some raspberries. They had big tubs of strawberries for £2.97, but I think the strawberries are like bullets, they're always rock hard. So I thought, well, I'll get the raspberries, and I got blueberries as well. So I can have a combination to have in my yoghurt, and the yoghurt I got was the Skyr. This is £1.25. If I had the money, I'd get the big pot of Greek yoghurt, but that's over £5, because it's just Greek style. Greek style basically just means natural yoghurt, and they've thrown in some powdered milk to make it thicker. So I've been eating the Skyr lately because it's got more protein in, apparently. So yeah, high protein, so it's good for little old ladies to have extra protein, keeps the muscles going. So the raspberries were £1.97 and the blueberries were £1.43. I get this sauce, oyster sauce, for when I'm doing stir fries. This is like the Chinese version of a tasty gravy. So they don't have to have the bottles in. So when it was there, I got it £2.76, because they do little bottles like about that big and they're £2, so it makes sense to buy the proper ones. I got some toothpaste. This was £1 on offer apparently, so I got that because we needed some toothpaste. I got some tin peaches because, as you know, I like to chill them in the fridge in a bowl and have them with salad or whatever I've got, with yoghurt or whatever I've got in. And they've gone up again. They went from 39 to 45 and now they're 49. So I don't know if that's just Asda in general or because the Aldi over the road is shut because they're renovating it. I got a big block of cheese. This was £2.49. So I was happy about that because they were only doing 2 for a £5 last time I bought cheese in there, but now they've got the 2 for 40, 1 for £2.47. Because I like to do like a pasta bake or like my cheapy pizza, grate some extra cheese on top. Or if I've made some bread in the bread maker, I'll do some cheese on toast, cheese and onion on toast. So I do like a lot of cheese. And I always have this cheapy coleslaw in. This is only 50p. It's not fabulous, but for 50 pence it does the job. I got my dog 2 tins of pate. These are 62 pence each. And I got my dog some dental chews, and these are 58. They've got different sizes, small dog, this packet, and big dog, so the prices vary. This is the 180 gram pack and this is 58p. The cat's got food in, but she's got no treats, so I've got a packet of Dreamies. These are gone back up again. These are 134 because they fluctuate. Sometimes they have them on offer, sometimes they don't. They're not on offer at the moment. I got Webhook sticks for the cat because she doesn't like their cheapy versions of the sticks. She just leaves them, and I ended up giving this to the dog last time. But she will eat the Aldi ones, but as we know, Aldi's shut. It's doing my head in, it's not being open. There's one in Old Swan, but it's just too much of a walk. And carrying the heavy stuff back, it's just too much of a killer. Where's the cat stuff? Yeah, 138. I got some chocolate biscuits for my son, these Cadbury fingers. There's all different ones, like the caramel ones or whatever, salted caramel ones, and they're all on offer for £1 at the moment. So he just likes the ordinary ones, so I got them for him. As a treat for me, I got some cinnamon swirls. These were reduced from 152, is that 162 to 91p. So I'm going to have them after my pizza tonight. And I got custardy style donuts for my son as well, and they were reduced to 76p. So they were the only 2 reduced things there. There wasn't much reduced there today. They had a load of bread, but it was raw hard and looked horrible, so I didn't get it. I prefer to cook my own because then I know what chemicals, or no chemicals are in it. But yeah, so we've got processed cakes. So he's got donuts and I've got cinnamon swirls, and he's got chocolate fingers as well. So yeah, so we've got meat, pizza, mushrooms, tomatoes, some fruit, some bickies, dog treats and stuff, toothpaste, and it came to £29.63. So that seems a lot to me, but I'm used to going to Aldi and getting some more bargains, and there's not been as many reduced items these days in Asda, but I think everyone's looking for them now because everyone's broke. So there you go. So let me know if you've picked up any bargains this week, or if you've managed to get a load of yellow sticker items, reduced items, because it's sort of hit and miss, isn't it? You've got to just keep looking. It's like when you go charity shopping, when you go thrifting, you just got to keep checking to see if you hit lucky and get a bargain, like I did with my big tub of ribbons the other day. So please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.